In this video, we will see 5 common mistakes my clients make. So, error number 1, I do many mistakes. This is a common error. We need to replace do with make. So the answer or the correct sentence would be, I make many mistakes. If you're talking about the word errors, you're also going to use the word make. So we would say, I make many errors. We are 5. This is a really common mistake. You're going to be understood if you say we are 5, but it's not what natives would usually say. A much better option would be, there are 5 of us. There are 5 of us. Another common mistake, in UK it is better. In UK it is better. You need the definite article the before the UK, before UK. So we need to say the UK, the UK. So we say in the UK it is better. Next we have I focus in that. I focus in that. The problem here is the preposition. We need to add the preposition on and remove in. So the correct sentence would be, I focus on that. Many verbs in English are what we call prepositional verbs. It means they need a preposition after, if there is something after that verb. For example, we have listen to, talk about, concentrate on, invest in. And the final mistake is my wife said me. My wife said me. You need, again, a preposition after said. So the correct sentence would be, my wife said to me. My wife said to me. When you have an object after say, you need the preposition to. Another option for that sentence would be, my wife told me. My wife told me. So tell, the verb tell, is not prepositional. So you don't need a preposition with tell or obviously told in the past tense.